So since the moment I had seen this scene, I always thought of making a Jake Peralta t-shirt of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Let's start with the video.
Watch. Cool.
Synonym. Cool. Better.
Sweet setup. What do you make here?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, cool. Hey, bud, is rhyming on your no-no list?
No?
Cool. And that is under Charles.
Floundering is worse than silence.
Oh, cool. No doubt.
I don't date cops.
Cool, yeah.
Rule number 3. Does not have sex privately.
No doubt. Good rule. No sex, good rule.
He's fascinated by the idea of the human Christmas and society's pupation.
Cool. Human Christmas and whatnot.
A teabag in its victim's mouth.
Yeah. How cool. I mean, awful is that?
Very cool. I mean awful.
Hey there. Sorry for dropping in. Was it cool? It felt really cool. And do you want to just meet us at the hospital?
No! Hospital!
Okay, got it. Cool. No hospital.
And often extreme testicular discomfort.
so that is it for this video, guys. The t-shirt is almost ready, but it is slightly wet, as you can see over this portion. Otherwise, it is almost ready. The Jake Peralta Brooklyn Nine-Nine cool t-shirt. So do let me know how this video is and the t-shirt is in the comment section below. And if you do have any other ideas where I can make t-shirt or any digital art on, do let me know as well. I usually come up with content which is related more to travel, but at this particular moment, because it is kind of difficult and risky to travel, so I am having second thoughts on that, but I would try to put some kind of travel content in the coming month, definitely, for sure. But until then, I'm kind of experimenting by putting some reviews or some song covers or some digital art and t-shirts like this. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.